Welcome to Thoughts on the Market. I'm Michael Zezas, Head of Public Policy Research and Municipal Strategy for Morgan Stanley. Along with my colleagues bringing you a variety of perspectives, I'll be talking about the intersection between U.S. public policy and financial markets. It's Wednesday, March 17th at 11 a.m. in New York. Roughly 1 year on from the onset of the COVID crisis, the American Recovery Plan has been signed, and another round of stimulus checks are quite literally in the mail for most Americans. State and local governments are also set to receive ample aid. All told, $1.9 trillion of economic aid was approved, with $1.2 trillion of it scheduled to be spent this year alone. It's hard to conceptualize how substantial this is, but here's three numbers that can help. Let's start with the number 3, specifically 3 times. This package is roughly 3 times bigger than the estimated remaining gap between actual and potential GDP in the US. The next number up is $1 trillion. After the passage of this package, our economists estimate that the fiscal response will have exceeded the total economic impact by at least this much. The third number is $2.3 trillion. That's the estimate from our economists of how much excess household savings will have been built up as a result of the total fiscal response to COVID. Although they expect households will only spend a portion of that, the boost to consumer activity would be very substantial. With numbers like these, it's no wonder our economists now see U.S. real GDP growth for 2021 exceeding 8% and then settling at an above-trend 2.8% in 2022. For investors, we see 2 takeaways. First, stick with the reflation theme, meaning equities should continue to perform, in particular those that do well early in the cycle, like industrials, and now those that do well in the middle of cycles, like autos. The second takeaway is a more general one. Never sleep on Washington, D.C. Market performance owes a lot to the D.C. response to COVID. If you weren't paying attention or you misunderstood, you would have easily missed some strong investment opportunities over the past 12 months. Thanks for listening. If you enjoy the show, please share thoughts on the market with a friend or colleague, or leave us a review on Apple Podcasts. It helps more people find the show.
The preceding content is informational only and based on information available when created. It is not an offer or a solicitation, nor is it tax or legal advice. It does not consider your financial circumstances and objectives and may not be suitable for you.